Hello doctors, myself Dr. Supriya Kobalkar Makode. I would like to share my experience in COVID-19 cases of ICU. But prior that, I'll be thanking my guru Dr. Rajiv Kodgure sir, Dr. Dilip Soni sir, Dr. Jaswant Singh sir and the whole team of Mission Sunrise for encouraging us, giving us courage and making us understand the real meaning of audio separate, dare to be wise. The message given by our father, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann sir. So today's case is of a female who is 25 years and working as a lab technician here in Mumbai. She is unmarried. She was having the symptoms like gradual onset of fever with frontal headache, which was of throbbing type in nature. She took the allopathic medicines for 4 to 5 days, completed the course, but there was no relief. There was a cough afterwards, which was white, sticky in nature, which used to aggravate while talking. She couldn't talk because of that cough. As soon as she started talking, after only 1 or 2 seconds or a minute, her cough used to aggravate a lot. And due to that cough, she used to keep that phone aside or she used to stop talking. Then we noticed that there is a breathlessness. She was very suffocative. She was restless. And when she was lying down, her complaints used to aggravate. She was not able to sit, she was not able to talk, she was not able to lie down. The only half slant position was okay for her. And the breathlessness has a peculiar symptom like she was not able to inspire, but her complaints of breathlessness was better by expiration. With that, she was having complete loss of taste. And then her stools was unsatisfactory. Thermally she was chilly, but even though she was chilly, she was having craving for cold water. Her X-ray was revealing heterogeneous opacity in right side of upper, middle and lower zones, and also had a mild pleural effusion with infective process. Her left side lower zone was also affected with minimal haziness. With this whole physicals and more interrogating towards with her family as she was not able to talk, we got to know that she had a past history of sinusitis since 3 years and irregular menses also. After that, interrogating further, we got to know that she is very haughty in nature. मतलब उसको जो करना है वो करना ही है. किसी के बोलने पे, किसी के रोकने पे वो रुकती नहीं थी. उसको उसकी मन की हमेशा ही करनी है. With this whole case, we analyzed it with the rubrics. We took the rubrics: complete, cough, aggravation line. Second rubric was mouth, taste, wanting, complete loss of taste. With the thermal chilly, we had got a group of medicine. From that, we choose phosphorus 200 dose. We gave the dose and she was okay within 48 hours. But how she got okay? The mark. Priorly telling that, I would like to share you a thing. This case was taken at night, late night, I think around 11 o'clock in the night, and the medicine was provided to her at around 1:30 by our teammate, by our colleague. This was the very worst night for her according to her family. As she was having the history of sinusitis, they were very worried. She was not getting the bed because of this X-rays, because of this heterogeneous opacities and her breathlessness, her restlessness. No doctor around Kalyandomboli was ready to take her. They were completely denying. There were no beds. The conditions were really very worst. But with the message, dare to be wise, we had dared to be wise and give her a medicine, phosphorus 200. As soon as we give her a medicine at around 1:30, after that she got the bed next day. She was hospitalized, but she was stable. Her breathlessness were reduced for 25%. She was stable. She was able to talk. Her coughing was reduced. Then when after hospitalization, she was discharged in 8 days, where she was completely cured. Her appetite got good. Her taste was better. Priorly, her cough and gradually her cough also reduced in 10 days. Now she is absolutely fine. There is no weakness. There is no restlessness. There is no coughing. There is no breathlessness. Whereas breathlessness was okay for starting 12 hours, and she was absolutely fine, normal, stable. We also had a video with them. I can say homeopathy can make wonders in syphilitic cases also. So dear doctors, dare to be wise. And I end up with this in my 2 words. Thank you.